There are uppercase and lowercase letters placed separately on the desk.
Wow!
Shall we put the same letters together? A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z.
Wow!
Good job! Let's write the letters we're going to learn today on the color board. K, L, M, N. Good job! Color the letter K with red crayon. Uppercase K, lowercase k. This time, let's trace the dotted line and write it down. Uppercase K, lowercase k. Good job! It's a koala. The koala is eating a leaf. Koala. K is for koala. Leaf. L is for leaf. Let's color and write the letter L with an orange crayon. Uppercase L, lowercase l. Uppercase L, lowercase l. Great job! There are 2 surprise eggs. What's inside the surprise egg?
Wow!
The orange surprise egg contains sand clay. What's inside the purple surprise egg?
Wow!
It's the letter K.
Wow!
Let's stamp the letter K on sand clay.
Wow!
K. Good job. Let's color the letter M with a purple pen and write the dotted letters.
Ah!
Uppercase M. Lowercase m. Uppercase M. Lowercase m. It's a monkey. The monkey is eating a banana.
Ah!
Monkeys love bananas. Do you like bananas? Monkey. M is for monkey.
Ah!
Uppercase N. Lowercase n. Uppercase N. Lowercase n. Good job! Let's connect the dots in numerical order.
How?
What letter is it? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. It's the letter M.
Wow!
Shall we cut the letter M with scissors? Very good! M. Good job!